Your goodbye burned slow like velvet ashes, sweet on the tongue, then bitter as it passes. You drew constellations on my bare skin, then wished on a star and never looked again. I kept the matches, you kept the flame. I kept the echo